What's up, guys? We are out here on the Big G, Guntersville. It is early October. We got a little bit of a sunrise coming up behind us. It is going to be a beautiful morning. We're going to go get on some shallow grass fish, so stay tuned. Let's go whack them. That's good. Not real big. Probably a 16, 17 to get the morning started. Not too bad. Definitely been feeding up, but we'll let him go. Thought we were gonna get on a grass bite first thing in the with the top water, and it hasn't worked out. I think the water's about a foot lower than the last time I was back here. So I'm throwing around some of these docks and caught that one up under a dock. So we'll keep poking around. Caught him on the old trusty wacky worm. But let's get after it. We did have a couple bites that first stretch.
Yeah.
You had them on that ribbit frog when we were here last time.
Feels like we're fishing in a boat.
Yeah.
That is a bad thing about a creek like this, is there's not a lot of room.
Well, as long as I don't come through here and make a crap ton of noise, you'll be alright. You wanted that frog. Woo. Come here. Another little 15. Nothing big, but we're slowly putting a pattern together, finding a little bit deeper water and finding a little bit of activity. So we'll just keep pushing back in this creek and see if we can't run into them. If not, we'll go back out the other direction and go fish on the deeper grass flats. So let's stay after it. Got another one.
There you go.
Another little guy. Whoop, dropped my rod in the water. Little guy, probably 13, 14. Another one on the frog. Another one on the frog. I hadn't made it 50 foot. Might be on to something.
I can already hear the comments now. Dang, that dude's just fishing right on top of me.
Dang it, Ethan, back off.
I ain't caught a fish. I don't know where this water is on me from.
Do I?
I got water all over my shirt. I don't know where it's from. Fishing this close, so I should try and get my fish catch on camera.
I know.
Yeah, there is something to it being a little bit slower, probably.
Yeah. I like that popper.
Yeah. I'd be fishing in it if I could. It's too much trash.
There's a lot of trash.
There's a lot of trash up in here.
Oh, is that the flapping frog?
Yeah.
Yep.
He wanted it.
He wanted it. He liked the speed of that one.
Yeah, he did.
He said, that's way better than that rippet flying by my head. Oh. Must have run it over a gar.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that seems like a good one. Oh yeah. Come here,
There you go.
yeah. Boat flips, baby. Like twisted and tangled. Come here. He was definitely not coming out. Jeez. There we go. About an 18. I'll take it on the frog. There you go, baby. All right, this is getting fun. Let's keep doing it.
He should be. Should always be nervous around here, to be honest. We're in the nursery.
Ah, that's 5. How much you think, how far big you think he is?
15 and a half.
15 and a half, says Ethan. See how close he is. Wrong.
14 3/4.
If I could pinch his tail, he's 15. 15.
Hey, I got it right on the second try.
That's fun. I don't care what nobody says, that's fun.
If it ain't fun, you're in the wrong sport. Pick off. Like, you got lucky, but I'm sorry.
Uh-huh. That's a good one. 16. You got your board?
I did that before.
Is that on the flapping frog?
Yeah. The old flapper.
Flapping
I don't even
frog.
think that's probably 15 and a half. $15 3/4. How I can get 16? 16 incher.
There you go. See, my eyeballs aren't wrong. Crickerone.
Crickerone. Just my speech.
Well.
You come over here stinking my hole.
I am too. That looked like a really good one.
Thing. Catch a fish. And all of a sudden, everybody's got the old bent rod pattern.
Alright guys, that wraps up this video. We're about to go in and get some lunch. We got after the frogfish this morning, got in that shallow grass in that creek, and had a good time. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, throw me a comment, and we'll catch you next time.